say your cast will be a minister of state, minister for a sector no. Omo said there any omu jumedi pa and say before and many a tier for a bidi jumebi. I will allow them to call in. Obemaye minister ususu se no ma ye be ka ho asemi nyina no in line. I mean usu obon ho modern pa your best minister. Ubetumi e de no our body din any ministry corona or one edi amaye ye tani ahwe the best minister in Nhyira FM ye yes our pools no ministers nko in fact CEOs no nka ho any other way be no so another day but we ye ministers nko ministers amampani ayi omo kwabna okay what time no ya so
I think anytime this conversation comes no
yeah
na me person me mount the constitutional provision on ministers. I think say when you read the chapter 8 of the 1992 constitution, there are ministers there. It also talks about cabinet and all these things, you know.
Yeah.
But what I'm doing say for a minister there, you are mostly the policy driver.
Yeah.
And the cabinet na mo 19 ministers na one ministers a kukudam na kotna. So the vision of the president is referenced at cabinet.
Yeah.
Na cabinet minister na bobo to what sector minister you carry the
cabinet decisions,
the vision of the president you know, to your ministry.
Okay.
So you are the policy head. Ministry na kasaba ya juma chief directors and the technical people.
Technocrats no.
Wo minister na there. We just
why is it supervisor?
Supervisor.
Oh, Rama no ma ko yi.
How come we say ban we buy? Just few ministers are me rank it. There are few ministers are doing some more there. One, the Attorney General's office. You see, Ora no more achieve prosecution there.
Yeah, per public opinion. And yes, I would na be can be man for
oh, some people boss. No. And I mean,
yes, in general, influence votes, no. And you know,
yes, president agenda is in this so. Resetting Ghana. Resetting agenda. Resetting agenda. So we have KPIs are the key performance indicators. No, we have a bit say big push. President Niswadi. We have free primary health care.
24.
Feed Ghana program. Why now also here? Now it's me implementation. Ejuma program. Oh, so no
fee stress.
No fee stress. No. Ora no me adi now. Why mo na what's say abem. It is hard to make a guideline. We have lecture now. President by say no into original so a trasa award system. Omo can say. Based on the president's directives, president and Niswa Dihunu, and no number so, grade you. It's so one to me and you will be
and mostly enshrined in their manifesto.
Very good. What how you spend money, how you provide jobs, how you make the government popular. And only so now it's me Edia grade you. And see, and no one.
Yes, I want to make us also share your boss on that. It's an amateur Ora anymore. We say Ora can manifesto.
Yeah,
as part of the 120-day permanent manifesto, make us say, which cases need be a corner. For example, NSS, they are not started.
Omo beba abetre. The intia. Esa oma
prejudice.
Prejudice. Oma leader.
Then say in as much as Ghanaians doubt say ebia setting them tamaklu ebia ebia wete sam no and this one refi say obi aye convicted wa o kwan akwanya
so obi appeal I show that
who say ebia court appeal na bia impo ekobane say we win here and I attend sentence no so we shouldn't be and this say ma say aban na NDC we say no and NDC against tamaklu the state against tamaklu.
All right, thank you. That's it. My young call 03220835828358283583 032208358283583835 na yentwetwe enkomo sisi a obetumi afra baso minister ben na ususu se oya de pa which minister and na ususu se oya de pa bomoden na kire na enti o mayen o best minister oya de
and then you
onya de okay yemfa de onya de no so
tourism de onya de
onya de kra so ono kra na no me boni din wa I mean say
only one
it's all piano. But yeah prejudicial. Yeah
what the view German satwa what's that person you voter card.
Okay, all right, thank you. I was here so now you're come just about 15 minutes over tiawa and the yes I the callers about patchom pe e mame na mo those who will come no monye tally no mame ye
tell you here board also
say ewa nti no bia na bia ba no so we huna na yenya back in so wetri. Hello. Okay, first caller. Hello.
Hello.
Good morning. Minia. Nana Ekuya. Oh, okay. Nana. Okay. Hey. That's it.
It's really
Me that's it, Nana Ekuya. That's it. Mr. Ben Obon home day pa Nana.
Minister no be okute to ablapa.
Okay. Okay.
Ablapa wo pon home.
Na de hin so na hwe a wonya de kra.
Omo mo nya de e. Ase omo do kakra. But omo so kakra. E mai.
Okay.
Na you say omo din pinchu be. Because 8 years back na I be tell me the na man.
Okay.
Yes, omo say omo nyere wo mo. Na omo pede omo kakra. Yes, I rest for beka wo. You dey say you need to ase. Ni pan be breed that ministers and you bet me ya be 5 or 6 bia. Omo abo omo so kakra na dey aka na dey. Omo pede wo mo. You know omo din but omo we say ni me do ha en safety.
All right.
And I say transport minister say one shepa na ni me do wo pa. Enye
okay, inti omo
agbaja say wo bon hu mo dey kama.
Okay, inti wo first you know okujo to black one na best. And west no eh hwan.
What yeah.
Okay, I know the Nana Ekuya so no uncle can west be well. And only the ohunu. Also o dear and say hello. Hello.
Over. Unya dem ba kope.
Good day, Minister Ben ya de pa de hin so no nya de.
Over no kwe wo say
okay, thank you. Zero. Yemfa ofufro. Hello.
Agwa.
Many are within the free.
Akwa ko bini yes.
All right, Kobe. Minister Ben born home modern pa dia hin so no money home modern kra.
Akwa uguso for so pa.
Why?
Ato uguso for so.
Ato Forson. Okay.
That's it.
All right.
And the onya the health minister. Them guase and the health no dey omo gine dey yados ono dey omo ne homo dey kra.
Okay, all right, me that say minta kando so dey abem. Okay, hello.
Good morning.
Good morning.
That was phobia. I'm going to tell you.
All right, Agwesi yenti we.
Finance minister yo ya dey pa.
Finance minister.
I'm not one crown on my Nhyira and you can come for an adium.
All right, thank you. Hello.
Koka.
Minia.
I'm watching.
Major so.
Obibini Reso.
All right, Obibini yentio.
Minister yet. Omuna bon.
Omuna bon. Okay, thank you. Zero. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Media within the free.
We are over. What was what in Robert? Because if you coaching Gaza, and you would have to get another player.
All right, Robert. Minister Ben born home modern pa the enso no nya de kra.
Born home modern.
Ato Forson.
Now, minister, what you can say? I was saying, never for John Domani Mahama. Also, talking by transport minister. Wapon.
Okay, thank you. Transport Minister. Hello. Hello.
Hello. Good morning.
Good morning, Mini Abeni.
Yo, what the doctor trader?
Okay, doctor. Yentio Minister Ben about the woman de party no nya de kra.
Minister obono homo de atu force. Ya de wa bo kra ne bukari mite.
Transport.
Transport.
Okay. Okay. That's a hello. Hello.
Hello.
Yes, meaning you didn't free.
Meeting the Mohammed Mekase Fresh and Jeff Jas.
All right. Yentio Minister Ben Obechu Suna so best. Yene was
a great minister.
Eric Opoku.
Wabon Mode. So they said yes. If we are normal siaba from a maximum of 4. The beans is at this soda.
Okay.
But one for being calm and my
right. Thank you. Oh, the West is one. Okay, so the West is 0. Hello. Hello.
Hello.
Minya didn't your free.
Good morning. Me didn't the offer him up, sir.
All right. Minya, Minister Ben, your best. The your West.
Road Minister Abuja.
Okay, Abuja your best. Roads Minister. Now why nenya dia kra?
Transport Minister. Wow, papa.
Okay, Ningbe. Transport Ministry, Bukari. Right. Hello. Hello.
Good morning.
Good morning, Mini Audi.
The lady Obipe.
Okay, sir, free.
Aswansi.
Okay, Aswansi. Minister Ben, your best minister, and of course, your West.
The best buyer, Honorable Mutaka.
Okay.
Apani Bojuma Papa, Interior Minister.
Okay.
Or Bojuma Oneba.
That was answer one in Pesuasu.
The Pacho P.
Okay, all right.
But of how they different chain.
Yeah, I understand. So, Ube Huni or Ben.
Aha,
and you come and only actually.
I look out your neighbor.
West, no, you're doing 1 day west.
Offer
the only idea cry. Aye. Oh, Yaku. Debbie can.
My channel is in Pacho.
Debbie can. A watch him catch a.
Avoid the Pacho.
Yapo, mine you. Catch a. Eh, why?
Media MTN Queen. Your shares and
MTN.
Yeah,
next up as a communication ministry. Sam George. Mabama Sam George. Yeah, that's it. Okay, next caller. Hello.
Hello.
Mini Odindio free.
Yeah, Togbe Depo from Kubasi.
Togbe
Depo
from where? Kubasi.
Yeah.
Okay. Why are your best minister? Why are your worst?
Yeah, why are you na ye ji hunanso wo bone hu mori pa aye nia tuwa atu Forson.
Right.
Baku aye west nka anopai ba ti say ye fam no me nebeji pa aye
Sam George communication. Okay. Right, yeah, that's it. Next caller. Hello. Hello. Maybe I didn't hear free.
Oh, what you just say? Roman father.
Okay. I don't know if boy here.
Mama, I'm moving here. Let's Mr. Father, Roman, your kind of place. Mimia, and when I am a baby of my Mr. I mentioned police commander, and the commander, people, I could them former and PC, the population. The movie I'm here to be never semester. Midday, you can't quite the wet today. Meet Mamma too. The meet my body.
Yep, there were West Pa.
Do I West Pa? Yeah,
Sam George communication. Okay.
Best minister, no there. For me in the part, yeah, Mr. Pa, yeah. The Bema. Okay,
Ato Forson finance. Thank you. All right, next caller. Hello.
Hello, Akuka.
Minia, who didn't do free?
Akuka, sorry,
Asari. All right, Asari.
Akuka, my mom when you my old boy.
Medase.
Akuka, the best minister party come to my energy minister.
Janapo.
Yeah.
Okay.
Now so share challenges and buy your near there. What's me up on home then? And can energy national, the energy minister.
Right. Thank you. Where's no so ya why?
Akuka voice there, Minya West. Yeah, this affiliation.
Okay. Thank you. Hello. 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 Okay, next caller. Hello.
Hello, good morning.
Good morning. Adom ne mpaibo me ho ye wo so e.
I'm
Yeah, the Okropon say, why no best minister? Why no worst one now?
The best minister, yeah, at Forson.
At Forson. Wow. Okay. West, no see why.
So, yeah, Sam George. Auto data, crab in a film.
Sam George, West. Okay. Hello.
Hello, Akokwa.
Minia. Major, so best minister West.
I'm a West minister, a health minister. Health what the honor cry.
West, yeah, health. Okay. Best, yeah, why?
Finance minister.
At Forson.
Best.
Okay, thank you. Okay, TUC. Okay, hello.
Hello.
Many are in your free.
I'm doing the Ejakofi.
Ejakofi. Ejakofi, one of your best minister, one of your West.
Road minister.
Roads minister, your best.
Yes.
Okay, roads minister best. And West, your why?
Transport.
Transport. Transport, your West, Nipe. Okay. So, hey, I say, I was done in the mood, tune in the mood. Okay, you're ready, baby. Hello.
Hello.
Okay.
What's on the minister? You know, for that, what's back at Chagana? Would you carry up a sacra? We are so about.
Yeah, you're voting. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yeah, you're voting. Yes, sir. It's voting time. Best minister, no West minister. Why and Ubechu Suno. Hello. Hey, Lance and Natural Resources. I'm a go view. Munina Galamse, Koni, I did the Dauma Bumne. Bibri. Hello.
Hello, Akoko.
Minia.
As we drink our minia.
And council.
And nature couldn't do a jackaba. Because of his fantastic.
All right. Why no best minister? Why no West one?
Oko Bojuma.
That's it.
And the best and the West there. For best, I don't have best.
Okay.
Yeah, but for West there, I think some George need to be reshuffled. Not him alone.
Okay.
But Amakofibo, as he said. Because some of us, we saw some very good potential in Amakofibia. Thinking stay. This Galamsia best Cheyen Kong. I brain. And he can even do something about it. Because you are from Western side. Your area then it has been going on. In my area, I'm telling you. So when you get to Evaledra, Durabanzo, even you go as far to Sama and Grofo,
right?
I can go. You get there. You in fact, I bet shocking. Look at some George. Some George have been talking. Yet he cannot do anything.
So among the two, no, who will be your very worst?
For now, yeah, Canada, and you will be involved in Galamsey. But you know, we all know what is going on through our internet and our phone network. So for me, I would say Sam George is the West MP.
Okay, thank you very much, Sam George West. Best in the way, hello.
Hello.
Many are in your free. Yakubu Mane so kakra
okay. But I said ultimately.
I feel the pa. Ministers no one boy juma pa one so na asa.
Did you mention na question kakra me kan the best minister me friend a Greek minister.
Okay.
A Greek minister me you know.
Okay.
Our bono so ni pa o sha dani tia na flow no dey. Just say o boy when I'm not telling you the way of Bishop, I think the more what here, put me to deserve Papa.
All right. Okay, thank you very much. My mem Fabe 5 more calls now. Mem fancy. Hello.
I go kwa nyame asum dwen ka woni Professor Joshua Alabia no pay.
Enka also.
Kofi Boatidie. Nyankopon adamfo.
Right, KB.
Me best paye. Dr. Frank Abakwenye. And I say yeah, Western, so yeah. The first say, information minister.
Okay.
Did you cry them? Your friend Sam George.
Communication. Maybe. Okay. May I say, thank you very much. Hello. Hello. Mejozu. Okay.
Member MPP Media People, Chairman Patrick, and Sabun enemy chairman.
Yango.
The best performing minister a fat
okay, Erikupuku.
Upon our Berguma. Okay. You share Uko Marketa, Shady Miane Bo, Yane, two international abundance. What I say, Ufa Bia, Unya Brew, Unya Bachi, Unya Body, and an Inco kitchens, most are roll out.
Okay.
And the fertilizer and also Ibiaba. But the worst performing minister is the SOBN. NTN network in the area, some George or M1. Maybe to share sanitation, so I will be in so fire.
Okay. And to some George in the West, pa. There be Yapa one, West, over Bomina, dear Hina, or your West, pa.
I don't know.
Why? Okay. West, no, I can't be when to me and justify one, so cancel on the West in the free hole. Hello? Hello, Mamemfa, last 2 calls. Hello? Hello?
Hello? Hello?
Maybe I would do free.
For Alex, you see, I could just let them.
Oh, for Alex, Dakojum. I could yes. Okay. Now, West, no best anyway.
West is the information minister.
Okay. Sam George communication, right? And our best and see why.
Best there at
Forson. Okay, thank you. Hello, last caller. Last caller, you mean first slot in the Maoba. Yeah, mean first slot in the Maoba, and we are bar free. And Memman Munya free, offer a mean foul. Ma oba and free for the last. Na mean for by in chatful. Oh, your bar free. Last caller 03220835818358283583 03220835818358283583 bema no mo kan bi a eye mama oba so enkabi ma menhwese benya oba ewo so hello Debbie mo aso ye den memfa o hello next caller hello ini free so me say oba na me de na last caller hello Adoma me ho ye pacho udin Mama was udin no Nana Efiama nkwa Mama pacho ka se free Domiabra, okay. Mame, Osha aye apamfo amampani apam ye ministers no a. Wan e na ofin so obo adwuma de onya de kra nso ye hwan.
Me kan see no wa. Ni pami ye. For me Blakwa. Yo ya de.
Okujuta Blakwa. Okay, or your best. And hwan so na nya de kra.
And I support every idea. You want your idea. Oh, far. Yes, sir,
education. Okay. Haruna Idrisu. Okay. All right. Okay, Sam George. Okay. Yeah, that's indeed Haruna first. So Haruna account for education. The other one is your Kujoto, right? I was here. I didn't know this year. Commissioner Snake Kambum. Monkey canning album, yes. Monkey Kambum na yeah the results no ebe to later. Wabra ye could din komo kakra ede abba. And